Welcome to this training video where we're going to look at the IR215. In this video, first we'll look at the Family Assistance worksheet that is still in desktop for the 2024 year, how to attach the IR215 to an IR3 return, and then completing and working through the different sections in the IR215. First, the Family Assistance worksheet. This is accessible by opening the 2024 return in desktop. Once the information's filled in and you've done everything you need to do on the worksheet, you can select the button Sync at the bottom and that will sync that information back to the ledger. Now let's head over to our cloud tax returns to look at how to add the IR215. Before we look at adding the IR215, I just wanted to point out in the income for the tax return key point 11, this data will be pre-filled with the pre-pop once we release pre-pop for the 2024 returns when we're confident that Inland Revenue have got the full correct information for each client. If your client has any income adjustments that are required for working for family entitlements and student loan repayments, then you'll need to add the IR215 attachment to the IR3. To do this, we come down to Return Actions, Add Attachment, and then select the IR215 from the drop-down and click Add. You'll see the IR215 has now been automatically attached to the IR3 return as a subform, and if we click on the IR215, we're presented with the form that we need to enter the data into. Section A is the area for the Working for Families. Under Child Income, if you select the drop-down and Add Item, this is where you can enter the child's name, tick the indicator for shared care, enter the child's IRD number, and any passive income over the amount of $500. You can then continue to add other children under Key Point 4 if required. Moving down the form, you can then enter any non-resident spouse partner information along with their income and the country of residence. If there are any other payments for your client's day-to-day living, then different items can be added under here as well. If any items have been added in error, we can always delete these and re-add different items. You can then continue on to section B and C. This is for all your clients that do need to adjust any income for their student loan repayment as well. Once you've completed the IR215, there's nothing that you need to do. This form will automatically file with the IR3 once that's lodged with Inland Revenue. If the IR215 has been added in error or it needs to be deleted because it's no longer required, you can just simply come to the bottom of the form and delete the attachment and select delete, and that will remove the 215 from the IR3 return. Thank you for watching this video on looking at where the Family Assistance worksheet is kept in desktop, how to attach the IR215 to the IR3, and also completing the IR215 key points and deleting that attachment if it's not required.